Firstly, we will demonstrate when the alert is raised. To prevent further infection, we will isolate the device. As you can see here in the Defender Security Center, we have a button to isolate the device, and when we click it, our connection to the device is removed. During device isolation, connection to the Defender Security Center will be maintained. Let us navigate to the Security Center. To do this, click on the alert. The first thing to note is that Defender detected the ransomware, and an automated investigation was started. We will come back to this when it has completed. In the incident screen, you can see a summary of the incident, all the alerts associated with the incident, and the devices, users, mailboxes, and apps that were used in the incident. The automated investigation can also be found here. The evidence response section contains indicators of compromise which can be used to further threat hunt. We will demonstrate this ability later. Let us dive into the alert associated with the incident. This visualization shows the processes associated with the final event that was deemed malicious. As you can see, the user spawned an Explorer window in which they started 7-zip to extract an executable that was deemed malicious. From the alert screen, we can click the See in Timeline button. The timeline is a summarized event log of what is happening on the device. If we click the button, we can see the events that also happened around the time of the malware detection. If you scroll further down, we can see the events in which the macros attempted to run, but were blocked by Defender. If we go to the Action Center and go to the history, we can see that an analyst has logged on using a remote session. During this remote session, they located the zip file from which the malware was unzipped from and removed it. This means the malware is no longer a threat, as it is no longer present on the device due to the analyst actions. The remote session is essentially a full Unix shell, in which the analysts can action files, processes, and other IOCs that may be found during the investigation. Let us navigate back to Sentinel to show how automation can stop the spread of malware preemptively. We have created a rule in Sentinel to match if the ransomware is seen again, and it will automatically raise as a higher priority alert. Due to our newly created rule in Sentinel, we have an automation rule to automatically isolate any device in which a high priority incident is raised on. When the incident is closed in Sentinel, the device will be released from isolation. This ends our demonstration of an end-to-end ransomware attack.